Today I discovered something very interesting. There's a lot of really popular brands over the years, for example, movement watches, that have sold for a ton of money because they were the first to do something in an industry, right? Especially when it comes to Shopify and e-commerce. Well, today I want to show you this brand called Zinvo that is also a watch brand. So nothing really too original on that front on the market, right? It's just a watch. However, I'm going to show you what I discovered and how this brand is able to do over 5 million, even though they're selling just watches. So here's kind of an interesting trend, right? If we look up watches on Google Trends, we see that it's continuously going down. So watches as a whole are not getting more popular, as you see. However, this is what I discovered. When you look up new watch, this changes everything, right? This actually makes it completely different, and you can see that the new watch trend is going up. So what does this mean, right? Like, how does that apply to Zinvo here? Well, Zinvo here sells new watches, right? But when I say new watch, to me, that doesn't mean like a brand new watch in terms of like no one's worn it before, because to me that's like implied, right? When you're selling anything online, unless you're reselling something, it's new. But new to me means new design. So this is their best seller, this design right here, which is very interesting, right? As you see, it's kind of like a weird turning wheel. It almost looks like a car wheel, like some rims. And I definitely think they're appealing to that sort of masculine prerogative of having a nice ass car. But the thing here is that I've never seen this kind of watch before. So this to me is a new watch, because I've never seen anything like it, right? It's not traditional, it's new. So how can you apply this to this trend? Well, basically what this means to me is that watches as a whole, even though they're getting less popular, it's not really because people don't like watches, it's because people want something new, right? People get bored of the same old stuff. So you can take advantage of this trend if you're gonna start a watch brand by only looking for really unique designs, like designs that you've never really seen before. And chances are somebody's gonna really like it out there if you can actually have a cool story behind it, or if you can promote a lifestyle like they've done. I mean, this is a really good idea to just have models wearing matching outfits with the watch. This just looks so clean. Like, whoever's behind this brand, you guys are killing it. And I would love to connect at some point, but as you see, it's just a very simple landing page. You know, they got some nice things here, ships within 24 hours, very simple description, a style guide, which I think is a really good idea, of course. When it comes to accessories and watches, and probably even jewelry, you could apply this stuff, you know, trying to promote a lifestyle and trying to promote unique pieces, things that you've never really seen before. As you see here, their marketing strategy is quite simple. They're just running a lot of ads. And with a brand like this, you know, for example, this ad here, just a simple unboxing ad. It looks like a TikTok ad, and TikTok ads work really well on Facebook and Instagram. And I know this because that's what we do. I have an ad agency called Akemi, and this is what we do. We run Meta ads, TikTok ads, and Google ads, which is really the best thing you could do. Just synergize a few different platforms so that you're getting traffic from a couple different sources, retargeting that traffic, feeding your pixel some new data always. And this is what they're starting to do as well. They're starting to post on TikTok a little bit. They're not even at 1,000 followers yet, but they're getting pretty decent engagement here, like 1,000 views on some of these videos. And I could see them starting to pop off with this sort of consistency. They're getting very consistent. But yeah, these are pretty cool watches. Let me know in the description if you've seen this brand before, maybe if you own one. I'm very curious about that stuff. This is a Shopify store, of course. Shopify is the #1 place to build your online business, and you can start a free store with the link in the description. So make sure you check that out. But that's about it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.